Hello, I am speaking Dr. Deshbandhu Bajpayee from Kanak Polytherapy Clinic and Research Center, 67/70 Bhusa Toli Road, Bartan Bazar, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India, Bharat. In this video, I will tell you in the part 14 about a new invention of Ayurveda and in Ayurvedic field in the diagnosis of fundamentals of Ayurveda and status quantification of all the principles, which is fabricated by the P.S. Chauhan and Sunrise Institute of Engineering and Technology in Unnao. So, developed and examined at the Hospital of Sunrise Nursing and Pharmacy College and examined there, supported by the staff of the Sunrise Institute of Technology, Science and Engineering at Unnao. So we are grateful for that. And about this machine, the research papers have been published in the international journal like International Research Journal of Engineering and Technology, and you can see here the research paper face. Along with the publication of this machine, the student of Udaipur Medical Colleges have been protocol this machine in their research work, and that is published in a reputed journal. You can see here about the machine. This is a artificial embedded one and give result immediately after the examination. In this machine, it have a very short two-page report provided immediately after the examination and give a picture of many Ayurveda fundamentals which are not accessed by anyone, or their status quantification is very difficult in the form of report. So this machine you can see here is being examined by a patient, and this is the face of machine, and these are the accessories and wires which are used in uh, for a cable to attach the body of patient so that connectivity can be made. The way is very simple and not very tedious. So very easily every physician can access this one with the machine. As you see here, the patient is examined, and the whole data comes on a screen, and just can be read at a time with a picture in mind that which problem patient is suffering. So very easy it is. The machine give a very quick and quite effective without any mistake. About the 7 segments you can say here, you can see here the Vat Pitta Kaph and its combination, the Saptadhatu Ras Rakta Mans Medasti Majja Shukra, and three stool, urine and sweat, with the 16 body parts evaluation and their status. So this becomes very easy, and it gives a chance to read at the moment on the screen the type of complaint, and you can print it in 2 page. The first page is here, and this is the screen on which you are seeing the second page. You will get it here. There is a stool and all the 16 parameters of whole body is given. Now here you see the status of Nali and the Nali, how it is have pressure and its speed. Now here you can see the value of humors, the Tridosha high, highest, low, lowest and normal in 5 categories. Everyone, and this is the stool uh, ratios are given, their normal values and the 16, all the 16 are given here. So you will get all the necessary fundamentals access here, and you will find it a correct evaluation of status. So this is a very perfect machine which is developed in our institute. Our new research center is established at the bank of river Ganga and is away 5 kilometers from Kanpur railway station and from our Kanpur center both. So the building is equipped and clinic is equipped and research center is equipped with the new machines of Ayurveda which have been used at our Kanpur center, and similarly the electrotridosography, Ayurveda tridoso scanner, Ayurveda whole body scanner, blood examinations, Ayurveda pathology are all of them. All the tests are available at this center. The facilities are similar that is provided in Kanpur, so also provided in this new center. This is away from airport, 40 kilometer away from Lucknow airport and 5 kilometer away from Kanpur railway station, and very easily it is situated in Kanpur Lucknow capital highway, so there is no problem. And before coming to us, you please take an appointment and then come here. Thank you.